What did you study in history lessons when you were at school? Well, thank you. In the past, I have learned about the local governments of the past eras as well as the life of the kings, who ruled their countries with great fame and character, as far as I can recall. Did you enjoy studying history at school? As for me, I would have to say yes, since for me, it is a fairy tale, since I was not able to comprehend what they were trying to tell me. How often do you watch TV programs about history now? It is almost impossible for me to do so nowadays because of my hectic work schedule. I haven't watched those kinds of TV programs for a while, probably because I've been pretty caught up in my work. So far, I have hardly managed to make time for my family in the evening, and I have given them some extra time over the weekends. What period in history would you like to learn more about? The historical period I would like to learn about is the Age of Exploration. This period, which began in the 15th century and ended in the 17th century, was marked by a series of voyages of discovery led by European explorers. These voyages resulted in the discovery of new land and the establishment of new trade routes. During this period, Europeans interacted with many different cultures and civilizations, and the Age of Exploration hugely impacted the world.